Hello students. Now I am going to do the few problems in the directional derivatives in a module 1 vector calculus in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So the directional derivative, so it will be like this. We can define the formula will be like this. Suppose phi of x, y, z which is equals to c be a scalar potential at any point at P for any direction vector A D such that del phi dot n cap is called the directional derivative, where here n cap is nothing but vector D divided by the modulus of vector D. Here the formula of directional derivative will be del phi dot n cap. This only we have to remember. Now based on this we'll do few problems. The first problem will be like this. Find the directional derivative of phi equals to 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z at the point 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 1 2 along 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 6 into k cap. So here we have to find out the directional derivative. Phi value they given at the point 2 minus 1 2 and the direction vector also they given here. So first we'll write the given phi value 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z. Phi value we written. Next the point will be 2 minus 1 2. So first we have to find out the gradient of phi. The formula we have to define like this. Dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. So del phi can be written as dou phi by dou x. Phi value they given 4x z cube minus 3x square y square z. So this phi value you just do the partial differentiation is with respect to x, y, z and substitute in the respective place. So that equation can be written as 4z cube minus 6x y square z into I cap plus 0 minus 6x square yz into j cap plus 12xz square minus 3x square y square that into k cap. So del phi can be written as at the point 2 minus 1 2. On simplification we can write that del phi will be like this. 8i plus 48j plus 84k. You just take that as a vector A. Now in a question itself they given the direction, that is vector D is equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 6k cap. So n cap means already we defined. So n cap is nothing but vector D divided by modulus of vector D. So first we have to find out the n cap value, that is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 6k cap divided by square root of 4 plus 4 plus 36. So which is equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 6k cap. On simplification denominator can be written as 7. Now we'll write the formula of directional derivative, that is vector A into n cap. Vector A value we got it as 8i plus 48j plus 84k, that into 2i minus 3j plus 6k that divided by 7. Numerator 2 vectors are there. You just multiply that 2 vectors so that the numerator can be written as 16 minus 144 plus 504 that divided by 7. So the solution of this directional derivative will be 376 divided by 7. Now we'll see the next problem. So find the directional derivative xy cube plus yz cube at the point 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of a vector I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is what the question. Here also direction vector they given and phi value at some point they given. So first we have to define phi as here xy cube plus yz cube and the point is 2 minus 1 1. So del phi, grad phi definition we have to write, that is dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. So del phi can be written as y cube I cap plus 3y square z plus z cube into j cap 3z square y into k cap. Now at the point, the given point you just substitute and simplification we can write that del phi has minus I cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap. You just take this as a vector A. Now direction vector they given as I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now we have to find out the n cap. N cap is nothing but vector d divided by modulus of vector d. Now we have to find out n cap value, that is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, that divided by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So which is equals to n cap value will be I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. Now we'll write the formula of the directional derivative, that is vector A into n cap. The obtained vector A will be minus I cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap. That into n cap value will be I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. Now numerator 2 vector terms is there. On multiplication of that 2 vectors, we are getting solution as minus 1 plus 14 minus 6, that divided by 3. On simplification, directional derivative value can be written as 7 by 3. Now we'll see the next problem. Find the directional derivative of phi at the point 1, 2, 3 along the direction. Here also direction they given that vector, that is 4i minus 2j plus k cap. So first we should write the given phi function, that is x square plus y square plus 2z square. That value we have to write. So phi value we written. Along with that they given the point. The point will be 1, 2, 3. Now we should write the definition of the gradient of phi. So gradient of phi can be written as dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. So del phi, which is equals to 2x into I cap plus 2y into j cap plus 4z into k cap. So del phi also we define, but at the point 1, 2, 3 we have to find out the value of the del phi. In a del phi, in place of xyz you just substitute the value as 1, 2, 3. On simplification, del phi at the point 1, 2, 3 we can write that as 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 12k cap. Take this as vector A. Now clearly they given the direction vector has PQ has 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now we have to find out the n cap. N cap is nothing but PQ vector divided by modulus of PQ vector. So you just substitute PQ value, that is 4i minus 2j plus k divided by square root of 16 plus 4 plus 1. On simplification, we can write this as 4i minus 2j plus k, that divided by square root of 21. So this is the value of n cap. Now we'll write the definition of the directional derivative. The directional derivative formula will be vector A into n cap. Vector A just now only we got, that value we have to substitute now. That is 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 12k cap. That into the value of n cap is 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, that divided by square root of 21. Numerator 2 vector function is there. You just do the multiplication. I dot I means that value will be 1. So with the help of that formula, on multiplication of these two vector, we can write numerator as 8 minus 8 plus 12. Plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. So solution will be 12 in the numerator. Therefore, this directional derivative can be written as 12 divided by square root of 21. This is what our required, that a directional derivative value. So now this is what the directional derivative value we got it. Similarly, n here just I solved only 3 problems based on this directional derivative. Still n number of problems we can solve that you can observe in the tutorial class. Thank you.